Domino, for us, we don't claim to be the biggest company in the world, but certainly we're not somebody that only has 50 people and we try to develop products that are unreliable. So we have a long history, a strong organization. We are present in 120 countries worldwide, supported either by a direct Domino office or by our distributor network. Alright, so in Indonesia we have two ways of how we serve the Indonesian market. I'll be open with you. We have Domino Printing Indonesia, which doesn't serve the digital printing business. They are more in coding and marking. And then we have with Perdana, the digital printing business of Domino being represented as our distribution in the country. So we have two ways of how we do business in Indonesia, directly and through Perdana.
Yeah. Secara ukuran perusahaan, Domino merupakan perusahaan yang sangat besar. Dengan kita bisa lihat dari jumlah karyawan saat ini didukung lebih dari 3.000 karyawan. Kalau kita bisa perbandingkan dengan HP Indigo saat ini jumlah karyawan hanya sekitar 2.500 dan untuk DES hanya sekitar 1.000 orang. Jadi secara berdasarkan jumlah manpower, Domino lebih besar dibanding kompetitor brand lain. Lalu juga Domino didukung oleh 120 cabang di seluruh dunia. Jadi punya jaringan di seluruh dunia sebanyak 120 office dan juga didukung oleh jaringan distributor, salah satunya kami Perdana untuk Indonesia. Dan pada tahun 2015 Domino diakuisisi oleh Brother. Jadi sebelumnya memang berdiri di Inggris, tapi sejak 2015 sudah diakuisisi oleh Brother, perusahaan Jepang.
So like what Petra said, we've been part of the Brother Group since 2015. So Brother is a Japanese company, and they acquired Domino as the industrial printing division of Brother since 20. So we are about 11 to 12 years as part of the Brother organization. So sometimes you will see our T-shirts, I have Brother here, I have Domino here. We are one company, the same company. They own us as part of an industrial printing division. So do not be, let's say, surprised, or do not be, let's say, confused when you see Brother always mentioned with Domino, because they are effectively our owners. They own us as a complete organization, right? So at this stage, I'm obliged to share a little bit about Brother with you. So Brother, Japanese company, founded in 1908 in Nagoya in Japan. So if you have some experience with Brother, they are about 120 years old as a company, very old company. They specialize in electronics and electrical manufacturing. So they do a lot of different types of business pertaining to electronics and electrical equipment. Brother is actually not too small a company. In fact, Brother, if you will look at the financial year of 2025, they generated about $5.7 billion in terms of sales revenue. So they are definitely in the top 5 of printing companies in the world. And when we talk about Brother, they have different business divisions as well, business segments. They are in printing and solutions, which is printers and home printers, laser printers, scanners, and so on. So office equipment, all right? But they're also in machinery business. So machinery business for Brother, you may or may not know, but Brother is one of the leading, either number 1 or number 2 position in terms of sewing machine. Sewing machine for your garment, for your clothing and for your garment. So they make industrial sewing machines. So if you see, like for example, garment factories or production lines, big production lines that have automated sewing and stitching machines, a lot of times is built by Brother in this machinery business. And then of course we have home and personal division, which actually means that we are producing sewing machines for the consumer. So embroidery machines, sewing machines, the little machines that households are using and so on. They are part of our personal and home business. And network and contents is a division that is completely different from what they do over here in terms of sewing machine and printing. They are also in karaoke systems. So they make microphones, they make speakers, they make amplifiers, they make software that are supplied to karaoke systems. And last but not least, they are in industrial printing. So industrial printing is when they acquired Domino and started to have Domino as part of the overall business. So you can see Brother as a company is quite diversified when it comes to the different divisions. But today, don't worry, we're not going to talk about karaoke. Okay, we're going to talk about printing equipment or industrial printing equipment.